Hello winners. Today in this video we will discuss about one of the most topic by which our young generation, our youth is getting affected not using their useful energy in the system where they should use it. So today we are going to discuss about heartbreak. Heartbreak, the point of life from which everyone has to go through. This is the point in your life, my friends, from which everyone has to go through. This is just like the milestone of your life to bring you on the another level by facing the pain, by facing the pain that you have suffered as a human being. We will definitely get affected by this type of emotional attack. Remember, it's okay to feel bad. It's okay to cry. It's okay to feel emotionally unstable. And it's okay to get sad. But what is not okay is to remain constantly attached with the feeling like emotionally unstable, crying, feeling bad, or getting sad. Clear? Which is not okay is to remain constantly attached with the feeling like emotionally unstable, crying, feeling bad, or to get sad. Everything is good. Everything is best. Crying is good. Feeling bad is good. The thing which is not good is remaining living in the situation which is continuously disturbing your thoughts, your energy, or in one word I would say the real you. Face everything in your life but keep rising. Don't stand at any stop if you really want to reach somewhere in your life. If you want to reach somewhere, you have to keep on constantly moving in a straight direction. You might have listened one thought, my friends. Speed is not as much as important as direction is important. Direction is more important than speed, because if you are going in a right way with a very little speed, you will definitely reach somewhere or the point where you want to reach. But if you are moving very fast but you are not in correct direction or in right direction, then you will never reach. You will never reach the point where you want to reach. Direction matters, my friend, because if you are moving constantly in a circular path, you will never reach anywhere in your life. In fact, you will come again and again to the point of your initial position where you are sad, your thoughts are negative. After your heartbreak, where you are sad, broken, full of thoughts, and you have started yourself moving in effect of the thoughts and statements that are coming in your mind, then these thoughts will keep revolving you around the situation which don't want you to let move in straight path. These thoughts don't let don't want that you should move in a straight direction and get comfortable with the situations and win and reach the point where you want to. You will start getting distance from the point where your heartbreak exists if you continuously move in a straight direction. But your heartbreak, your thoughts will not let you go away from them, because the impact caused by the heartbreak to your energy and thoughts is in love with the situation to remain disturbed. These thoughts will definitely keep you disturbing, my friends. So understand the point that these thoughts which are coming in your mind, which are saying or which are allowing you to believe that you have been a part of heartbreak society, you have been heartbroken by someone, then you will not be able to withstand yourself and leave that situation at that point and move in a straight direction by leaving that situation behind, my friends. Heartbreak will happen if you give your heart to someone. It is definitely going to happen. Giving your heart doesn't mean that loving a person. Giving your heart means devoting your time, your emotions, or sometimes even your body. If you think or you imagine that you are giving your heart to the person that who is like you or who likes you, or you keep on finding someone that you think is great, is a good for yourself, and you will give your heart to the person, and he or she will keep that heart very safely, will not break it, or will always follow, or will always do what you expect from them to do, is not good, my friends. And this is not going to happen. There is no need to find someone whom you can give your heart. If the initial stages of your life you gave your heart to the energy on which you believe, your God, not just feel like you have it, you just start thinking that you don't have an heart. The heart which was existing in you, you have given that heart to the energy which keeps you, which makes you, which brings you the everything you want. Nobody can break it. It can only be broken if you are giving the permission of breaking it to the person or to the thing by which you are emotionally or materially attached. Love will only happen when your intelligence will get glorified in front of your hormones. You will give priority to your hormones in front of your intelligence, then love will start happening. When your intelligence will get blurred, then you will get the another level of imagination, my friends. Your imagination of thinking that you are happy with someone, or you are happy with someone and enjoying your time, and you are getting happiness. These all things are imagination, my friends. The very first thing that you will imagine that you are very smart in terms of mind, you are so intelligent. At the point where intelligence will get glorified, you will start feeling that you are so much intelligent. But intelligence is already emitted out from you. If you are thinking that you are intelligent, you will think that while using your intelligence, you will fight with the world for that person, for that material. But you have to differentiate, and you have to believe that this whole thing is just an imagination. Can you see the power of imagination? Can you feel it? How powerful it is? It is making you to believe which is not happening, or which hasn't happened yet, or which may be not going to happen anymore. Yeah, it's too strong, my friends. Imaginating all these things are not wrong. We are human beings. We will definitely imagine. But what is more important is that you have to clarify the situation, that what is happening at the moment is an imagination, or actually this situation is happening there. You have to differentiate between your imagination and reality. What is reality happening, or what you are imagining that this will happen. This is so much important to listen. If we are able to distinguish between imagination and reality, thousands, or I would say maximum problems will get solved by just differentiating between imagination and reality. We are imagining that by doing some work or something, we will get health, we will get wealth, we will get successful. This is just an imagination, my friends. If you are doing some work, then just do it. Don't think that you will get successful or you will learn something from it. You might have listened a lot more times that be practical, but we can only be practical if we start differentiating between the virtual happiness and real happiness. Imagination, beautiful imagination, which are giving us virtual happiness, and the reality, which is sometimes a bitter one. Every time you get so happy, ask a question to yourself. Every time you get so happy, ask a question to yourself: what is happening to me in actual? What is happening to me in actual? Is this is a reality matter of getting happy? Or is this really matter of getting happy? If you are happy with any situation or level of your life, just get energized with that situation. Don't get virtually happy. Get energized, not virtually happy. If we will do this, we will start doing a lot of idiotic things. If we keep on imagining the situation, we will start doing a lot of things which we will regret later, and will find that what have I done? Breakup matters because you have invested your thoughts, your emotion, your wealth, and maybe even your body. So if you have invested this much amount of impactable things, which are the energy itself, why wouldn't you expect something back? This is not wrong. If you are investing something or some wealth or some energy to the thing, then you have to expect something. It's not wrong, but you will expect something, yes, and you have to expect something. And if you are expecting something, then this is not love at all, my dear friends, because this is not a business, it's an emotion. Investment is just done by the demand of getting the higher amount of the things you have invested. If it does not happen to you, you call it a heartbreak. Investment is just done by the demand of getting the higher amount of the things you invested. If it does not happen to you, you call it heartbreak. And you bring yourself to the point where it is called breakup. Keep one thing in your mind, my friends. Your body is not a lump of flesh. Your body is not a lump of flesh that you will do whatever you want. Keep in mind, you feel, you heal. You try, you cry. You show, you go. You complete, you compete. You feel, you heal. You try, you cry, you show, you go, you complete, you compete. And all these things cannot be done by a lump of flesh, because a lump of flesh will not have an emotion, but you are controlled by the emotions. Emotions are your king and you are the slave of your emotions that are controlling you, and you are doing your each and every work, each and every action, each and every goal, targeting even you are fixing the target of your life by your emotions. That my dad wants me to become this, my mom wants me to become this. Believe one thing, what is this body for? Why you have given this body? By the nature, by the energy, which is the energy itself. You are not a device, my friends. You will not get affected if your wire has been plugged off, which in terms of you is your heartbreak. You are not an instrument that will stop working if not handled properly. Means you don't expect care. There is no need to expect care from anyone else. You can handle yourself. You don't need anybody anymore. You are enough for yourself, so that nothing imaginating can fool you or will force you to tell you that you are nothing. You are superb. You are a winner. Believe and start differentiating. Believe and start differentiating between imagination and reality. Take yourself off. You are the best creature in the universe. Thanks to the energy, thanks to the nature, and remember one thing: no heartbreak exists. It's just an imagination, my friends, which keeps you believe that something like this exists, but it's not there. Wake up your intelligence, shut up your hormones, live your life peacefully, set a target in your life, live for that target, rise up, shine up, believe in yourself. You are a winner, my friends. Thank you so much.